Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alain. Today we're going to look at 5 PIXIEs. So 5 PIXIEs from 5 brands in 5 different colors. I thought that would be a lot of fun. It's been a while since I really talked about PIXIEs, so I thought today's the day. All the wigs I'm going to show you are from wigstudio1.com. Now, if you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy it here. I hope you find some content that is useful for you. I do these videos where I show a lot of wigs in a very short amount of time. So that's what's going to happen here today. This is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you see one of these I show you and you want to know more about it, like you want to know everything about fit, cap construction, see it in outdoor lighting, all of those things, all you have to do is put the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and if I've done a video on it, it will pop up for you. So that's easy to do. This is just a quick overview of a few of these PIXIEs that I enjoy. So let's get started and look at 5 fabulous PIXIEs. One of my all-time favorites, Alain Alain. This is the most adorable PIXIE. I love it. I have purchased it in several different colors. As a matter of fact, I think I have a video that shows it in a lot of colors. So it is a throw on and go. This is metallic blonde rooted. I get so many questions about this color. This is an unusual, beautiful color. The color code on this is 101. 6051. So let's just talk about the color first. It's pearl platinum. It has pearl white in it, as you can see. It has gray, and then it's on this really darker blended root. I think it's adorable. I love this color. It is so wearable. Has a nice nape here. Fits close to the neck. I like that about this. Now these are heat-friendly fibers. This fit me perfectly. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference. Now the front of this is 3.5 inches. The crown is 4.5. It has short sides of 1.5, and it weighs 1.25 ounces. Yes, there is some permatease in here. Not a huge amount, but y'all, keep in mind, everybody's opinion on permatease is different. I like permatease. I love spiky hair, so permatease is great with me, but I totally understand there are a lot of people that do not like it, but there is some permatease here. I'm going to just show you this cap really quickly. Now, this has the mini lace front. Now, as you know, I'm not a huge fan of the mini lace front. Never have been. You know, I can live with it or live without it. There is permatease here. It is open wefted, closed ear tabs, and extended felt nape. Like I said, if you want to know everything about this wig, see my full review. But how fun is Alain? I mean, this is one of those, you know, I talk to you a lot about wigs that I keep out on rotation. I keep them out of my closet on a little shelf, and I grab it and I run out the door, and this stays on that shelf all the time. It is a true throw on and go. This is Rockwood Welch Sparkle Elite Glazed Auburn R3329 S+. Now S+, those colors have been specially blended throughout the style with all these different highlights and lowlights that complement the base color. So that's what the S+ is. So you can see it is highlighted all through, highlights and lowlights. Now glazed auburn, what a beautiful color. Rich dark auburn, right? And then with pale ginger blonde highlights. The highlighting, I think, is what makes this color and this style. The way they have highlighted it all around, especially around the face here. Sparkle was one of the first wigs I ever owned. Not the Elite, but Sparkle. So I have had Sparkle many times in the Elite version and the regular wefted version. Classic style, short style, off the face. It has a lace front, so you can, a lot of times I will twist this front back and put a tiny clip in it. It's adorable that way. You can do whatever you want to. Get your hands in there. I'm going to show you the inside of this cap. There's a lot of fiber on this wig. Now, as we know, Rockwood Welch does that a lot. They'll put a lot of fiber on their wig. So there is a lot of fiber on this wig, just letting you know right up front. The inside of the cap, it has a beautiful mono top and lace front. It has a an extended lace front and a mono top. Now there is permatease here, as you can see exactly where that is. It's open wefted. This one fit me a little large. I have pulled it in. You can see where I took the adjusters in. So I pulled it in a little to get a good fit on this one. But I like it because I like to spike my hair up, and you can do that. Or you can sleek it down a little bit. Now, that, like I said, there's a lot of fiber here, so you're not going to make this super sleek at all. But you can do a lot with this. You can style it, put it on with a headband. It's adorable. The front is 3.5 on this one. So you have these 3.5-inch bangs. The crown is also 3.5. The sides are 2.5, and it has a nape of 1.75. A bestseller for Rockwood Welch for a reason. It's been around a very long time, and I really think it will continue to be because I think it's just a great short style. I can't talk about short fun styles if I don't talk about Aesthetica Jet RH1488 RT8. I like the highlighting of this blonde wig. It's beautiful. Look at this, the rooting is not overdone. Now, I have purchased Jet in several different colors. For my skin tone, I always come back to this color for some reason with this particular wig. It just looks best on me in this color. I love RH1488 RT8. I think it's a gorgeous color. It just works for me with Jet. Lots of layers here, just tons of layers. It's a little longer on this right side. Makes it a little trendy, kind of fun, but just tons of layers, short pixie. Another super, super popular short style. Now this fit me a little large as well. Aesthetica usually does, so I did have to take this in. This bang comes in at 4.25. The sides are short, 1.5. The crown is 3, and then it has this 1.75-inch nape. There is some permatease in this wig. This has a lace front. It's a deep lace front. Look how this is made. Permatease here, of course. Now you can see how much I had to take this in. It has these hook adjusters, and I had to bring it in a good bit. It was big on me. Aesthetica just runs large on me. Again, I have a 21.25-inch head circumference, but you can see, throw this on. I like to sweep mine over to the side. That's just how I've always worn Jet. I just sweep it over to the side like that. Let that one side be a little longer. You can put this other side behind your ear a little. It's just easy. It is super easy. It looks good every time you take it out of the box. If you are looking for a low density, short pixie, have a look at this. Belle Tress Cherry Butterbeer Blonde 8R1923. Now this is low density. This one has a lace front and a mono part. Fit a little large on me. Again, Belle Tress does fit a little large on me, but this is an adorable style. I just tried this year. It's the first short one I've had like this from Belle Tress. That's really a short pixie. It has these longer pieces in the front, which is nice. I like this little style here. I like this little, you get that little poof there that's very trendy and everybody likes that. But you can see how low density this style is. You can wear this behind your ear. If you don't like those longer pieces in front, you can always wear this whole thing behind your ear. It's so low density, you easily can do that. It's a real feminine, just boy cut, but I think with all this texture in it, and movement, it makes it really a feminine style. The overall of this length of this is 1 to 7 inches. It has the short 1-inch nape. Now, if you have hair that grows down on your neck, this might not work for you because the nape is extremely short. But what a really adorable style from Belle Tress. Now, another tried and true popular style, John Renault Ignite FS27 strawberry syrup. Okay, medium natural red, light gold blonde, and then it's blended with these really gold blonde highlights that are kind of chunky through here. You can see it around the face, how they're a little bit heavier, a little bit chunkier. This color is so dimensional, in my opinion. Those highlights are placed just perfectly. Now, Ignite has been around forever, right? Yes, there's permatease in this wig. These are heat-friendly fibers. It is a best-selling style for Jon Renau. Angled layers. It's, of course, longer in the front. Just has a nice silhouette on this style. The front comes in at 8 inches. The crown is 5.75 on the crown. I like this long front on this. I think that's what makes this so popular, because it comes under your chin. It's a nice length. The sides are 5 1/4, and then has a 1 1/2 inch nape. Again, this can go behind your ear on one side, which is how I wear mine. I wear one side behind my ear, and then I let this other side just come down. Beautiful. Don't ever overlook Jon Renau at night. Thank you for stopping by my channel today and looking at these 5 Pixies. Which one was your favorite? Tell me if you have any of these, if you like it, what you like, what you don't like about them. And tell me if you want me to do some more of these. I have lots of Pixies, so if you want a part 2, just let me know. Again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.